So let me show you how to set up a secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So to set it up, first go to Settings, and then under Settings, scroll down to Security and Privacy, tap on that, and then go to More Security Settings, tap on that, and then that's where you'll find Secure Folder. So if you tap on that, it will allow you to set it up. So you have to read this, beg your pardon. Now, after you read that, tap on Continue, and then of course you'll see the permissions that the secure folder needs. That's calendar, contacts, photos and videos, music, audio, and more. So just tap on Next, and then allow you to create your secure folder. Now, once it's created, now you'll have to set up how you want to lock your secure folder. You can use a PIN, password, or pattern. And of course, you'll also be able to use fingerprint, okay? The same fingerprints that you use on your phone. Now, let's set a specific pattern or PIN or password for our secure folder. Now, personally, I like patterns. So I'm gonna go for pattern, and then I'm gonna put this simple pattern. But of course, I would like you to put a much better pattern. Now, keep in mind that this is not your phone's pattern. This is a different pattern. Of course, if you want to use your phone's pattern, it's the same thing. Then you can just go ahead and create the same pattern. But usually you want to set it different. Anyway, once you set it, just tap on Continue and then set it up again and then confirm that's the pattern for your secure folder. Now, it's going to say allow lock reset with Samsung account. You want to allow that because in case you forget your secure folder password, you can reset it using your Samsung account. So that's important. Now also, once you set up either PIN, password, or pattern, you'll now have the chance to enable fingerprint so that you can just use your fingerprint to unlock your secure folder. All right. So if you don't have a fingerprint, it's going to ask you to register your finger. So let's just go ahead and register. And then we are done. And then let's test our fingerprint and it's good. So tap on done. And then now you can unlock your secure folder using your fingerprint. Now let's go next. On this page, you choose what happens when secure folder is locked. Now you can choose to have maybe apps that you have in a secure folder continue running in the background, even when you've locked the secure folder, or you can choose to have them closed. Now for me, I prefer to have them closed, but you can choose any option depending on what these applications are. It could be maybe a game. So if it's a game, you might want to keep it open. So this is personal preference. I'll just save it on default and then tap on next. And then do you want to hide a secure folder for more privacy? So this basically allows you to hide that secure folder in the quick settings panel. Okay. So this is the secure folder. This is where you can access all the files and folders inside the secure folder or contacts. So this is where you operate from. Now, if I just go back to the home and to the app screen and you scroll through, you can see the secure folder is here. So you tap on it and that opens up the secure folder. Now, if you tap on the three dots right here, you have some options, including the option to hide secure folder. So if you tap on that, that's going to hide your secure folder. Once you confirm, it's going to stay hidden. And when it stays hidden, you can always bring the secure folder either by going to the quick settings panel and then tapping on secure folder. And as soon as you tap on it, it's going to ask for your password. And of course, once you give the correct password, it's going to get opened up. Okay. And also brought back to the app screen. Now, of course, if you go to the three dots, you can also go to settings and customize this secure folder and have it do different things. Now, I have a whole video on how to customize a secure folder on your Samsung phone, so make sure you check that out. But as far as setting up the secure folder on your Z Flip 7, that's about it. Thanks for watching and good luck.